Okay. To understand anatomy and physiology, you have to be able to see the bigger picture. So, we're going to take a closer look into atoms in chapter 3. Okay. The most important of all chemical theories was advanced in 1805 by the English chemist John Dalton. He proposed the concept that matter is composed of atoms, from the Greek atomos, meaning indivisible, although we do know that atoms can be broken down into subatomic particles. His idea was revolutionary and yet simple, that all matter, regardless of the form it may assume, whether it's a liquid, gas, or solid, is composed of units he called atoms. And just just a recap on matter, that anything that has mass and takes up space is considered to be matter. So um, even speaking would be considered to have a mass and takes up space and is considered to be matter. Okay, Dalton conceived of atoms as solid, indivisible particles about 100 about for about 100 years this was thought to be true. We now know that atoms are divisible into even smaller or subatomic particles, some of which exist in a cloud surrounding a dense central core called a nucleus. More than 100 million atoms of even very dense and heavy substances, if lined up, would measure barely an inch and would consist of mostly of an empty space. Our knowledge about the number and nature of subatomic particles and the central nucleus around which they move continues to grow as a result of ongoing research. The atomic structure consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons.